Welcome back. Cut is a text processing utility in the Linux. It is mainly useful for extracting specific columns or fields from structured text data. These are the various options we can use with cut, and we will discuss all these in the video. Let us see the basic syntax of cut. Here option is not optional and the command will give error if you run it without an option. And then you can mention the file name on which you want to perform the cut. So first option is "-c", which selects the text using specified characters. Let us see this with an example. So here we have a file that is numbers.txt and we are going to select first column of this file. So you can use cut minus C and we are going to select the first character of each line, and then you can mention the name of the file, and you can see it has selected the first character of each line, that is 1. You can also mention a range of characters. So for example, you can use cut minus C and you can give range from 1 to 3. So all the characters start from 1 till 3, it will select, and then you can mention the name of file. So you can see 3 characters are selected. First is 1, second is blank space, and third one is 2. You can also select the characters from the middle. So let us see that example as well. For that you'll have to give the cut accordingly. So I'm giving cut with minus C and I'm going to select from 5th character till 10th character, and then you can mention the name of file. And you can see from 5th character till 10th character we are having all those fields on the screen. Next option is "-b", which selects bytes. So most of the time one character is equal to 1 byte, so it is going to give you the same result. But sometimes when you have special characters in the file, the size of those characters can be of 2 bytes instead of 1. So for such cases you can use cut minus B. So let us see an example for this one as well. So here again we have cut, and this time we have "-b", and we are going to select all the bytes from 1 till 3, and we are going to do it on numbers.txt, and you can see we have got the similar result which we got with "-c". Next option is "-f", which selects specific fields. So let us see that with example. So here we are going to run the cut with "-f" this time, and we are going to select first and third field. So let us try to run this one, and you can see it is printing all the fields and it is not printing first and third field because it is not able to recognize the delimiters. So you'll have to use "-f" with "-d", and with "-d" you can specify the delimiter, and in this case the delimiter is space. So let us run the command again, and you can see this time it was able to identify first and third column because we have specified a delimiter here. Similarly, you can also give a range for "-f" as well. So let's say you want to print fields from first till fifth, you can use this one, and here again we are mentioning the delimiter, that is space, and you can see it is able to print all the 5 fields from 1 till 5th, and all are delimited by a space. Next option is "-s", which instructs cut not to print the lines that don't contain delimiter. So first let's add some string at the end of file. So here we have the file and I'm going to add a string in the end. So this is our string, and you can notice that there is no delimiter here. So let us save and exit. Now if you run the cut with -s, it should not print the string which has no delimiter. So let us try to run our cut command with -s. And you can see here we have -s. We are going to select fields from 1 to 5. Here we have a delimiter, that is space. Let's run this one. So you can see it is able to select all the fields from 1 to 5, and it has not printed the field where there were no delimiter. So let us try to run this command again without -s, and you will be able to see the difference. So you can see it is printing the last line which has no delimiter. Next is complement, and as the name suggests, it is used when you want to see fields except the complemented pattern. So let us see one example. So here we have an example. We are using -f to select field number 2, but we are complementing it. It means it is going to print all the fields except the second field, and this is for the delimiter. So let us run this one, and you can see except second field it has printed all the fields. Let me remove the last line which we have added earlier. Obviously you can also use the range of fields here. So let us try to exclude column 2 till the 6th column, and it should print rest of the columns. So you can see from 2 to 6 it has not printed, and all other columns are printed here. The last one is output delimiter. It is useful when you want to specify a custom delimiter for the output delimiter. For example, we have a file here, and you can see the delimiter for fields is a space. Now suppose you want to cut the first and third field using a space as the input delimiter, but you want the output to be separated by a vertical bar. You can use the output delimiter option for this. So let's see that. So this is our cut command. We are going to select first and third field using -f. Then we are specifying the delimiter, that is space. And now here we are mentioning our output delimiter, and that will be our vertical bar, and this is the name of our file. So let's run this one, and you can see now it is separated by a vertical bar instead of a space. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, you can like this video, subscribe this channel, and hit the bell icon for the further notification. On this channel I am covering all the commands currently, and you can see we have covered grep, echo, ls, cd, rm, touch, tr, etc. In the past we have covered the entire series on automation, wlst, and WebLogic administration, configuration. We have also made videos on JVM tuning, heap dumps capturing, along with OHS and all. So don't forget to check out my channel, and I'm sure you'll find some useful content here. Thank you.